Okay, so I just wanted to go over today's pre-market plan and trade. Today's December 6th. I always make a bullish and bearish scenario. This was the bullish, which didn't happen. I said if we come down under 15,990, I want it to hold. If anything, I'll look under. I'll see for a retest of demand that was just formed. If we break through, we can see 15,865 and then even 15,800. For ES, I also said we are in supply here. If we drop down, I'd like to see us hold 1590 or even demand and then a rally back to supply. If we get under 1580, I'd like to play short for 1560 with VX showing some strength. Now, all these levels that I got were previous peaks or pre-market, or as you can see, this little consolidation area in here. This was my 1590 level. So the market opens up and we immediately tank down from supply. Within 5 minutes, we're almost under 100 points. So now at 59, you could have got short here, but I did not. I was thinking we were going to possibly come up from VWAP and then test again and then go back down. So since I missed that play, I waited patiently for my 1540 to play out, for my 15940 to play out. So at this point, I said buyers were still not present, even through this little rally over here. We then rejected VWAP. So on our first touch of 159.4, we get a nice wick up. I then take it short almost perfectly down all the way to here. Now I covered my position a little early. I thought we were going to possibly just break this and then come back up. But again, there was no buyers present, so we ended up coming down to this area over here. I'm actually happy that I covered instead of holding for the full move down, because once I get down that far, I usually take off at break even, and it hit my break even to the tick. I even said I'm interested in a possible short here near 15,940, and then I'll show you exactly what this picture was. This picture was from here to come to 15,940 in here, and then come back down. Now we wicked above just a little bit. We held the 15,940, seeing how buyers and sellers react to this number. And then we came all the way down for the rest of the day, actually. All the way down to 15,800, which again, I stated in the pre-market plan, 15,800. For ES, we have the same plan. I said if we get under 45.80, I'd like to play short to 45.60 with VX showing strength. Now I didn't expect such a big move down over here. Now for ES, the same thing happened. We had a perfect touch of supply. VWAP couldn't hold down here. 4580 was right here. We got that nice break, clean break, could not hold 4577, which is again another key area that I had, and we just sold off for the whole day, all the way down to just above demand right here. So in ES, from supply to the low, you would have got about 45 points. From the pre-market plan, you would have got 20 points, or if you held even lower, you would have got almost 30 points. Now in NQ from high to low, you would have got almost 230 points. From the pre-market plan, you would have got almost 180 points. And for my intraday analysis, you would have got about 130 points. Now from the intraday analysis, if you only had one contract from here to here, you would have got about $2,600. Now, as you can see on this single trade that I took over here, I was in it for about 6 minutes. I also did scale out. I didn't hold all the way to the bottom, and that brought me $2,600 on the day. This is why I personally believe you need a pre-market plan, and also why supply and demand levels work the best out of all trading strategies.